Nate in your state. It does look like you got an RSVP. Why is that crazy?
You're gonna head up to the third floor, go all the way up, okay?
Appreciate it. So that's how they do it. Okay, so she went to go take the order, and we're gonna have to wait probably yet another hour for the wings to come out. So yeah, like the pizza might be good, the wings might be good, but the service is lacking a little bit right now. I almost don't want to eat it right now. Okay, wings test. This doesn't taste like spicy barbecue at all. It doesn't smell like spicy barbecue at all. So I'm gonna. Oh, it's not messing up. The order is messed up, man. So already a minus down. I asked for spicy barbecue. They gave me buffalo sauce, and not a happy camper right now. Definitely buffalo sauce. All right, I want you to say that again. Why, thank you.
Those look much better.
Thank you very much. Appreciate
Is there
it.
anything else I can do for you guys right now? No,
That's it for now. All right, what were you saying?
I was saying that, we can taste the corn flour. I'm not sure if it's a mix of corn flour and wheat flour, but if it's just corn flour and you have a wheat allergy, this is the pie for you.
All right. Cool. Spicy barbecue wings. Okay, I like the sauce. Maybe because it was a little rushed. It's crunchy. It's actually a crunchier wing. It's not bad. The meat's tender and the inside's juicy, but the exterior, the skin is a little crunchy. Then when you get into the middle, then it's pretty all right. Other than that, it's decent.
I like the sauce because it's nice and sticky and it clings to every part of the chicken.
Okay.
I don't like that it's in a bucket. You can't see what's in there. You put your hand in, you get sauce all over your hand. I think the bucket's unnecessary gimmick.
So it's just like a cosmetic thingy, just to make it look nice, right?
I guess it's supposed to be rustic, but it's chicken in a small metal bucket. It has no purpose. Aesthetically, it's not pleasing, and functionally, it makes your hand messy.
Okay. I'm not really recommending this place so far. One, it took too long for the wings to come. Two, the order is incorrect. You can't replace toppings without them charging you extra. And you can't get a waitress for your life. You have to wait like 30 minutes for a waitress to come up here. Like, yo, what type of service is this?
2 hours later.
Probably the pizza tastes good, but at the moment, Gino's East is not really for me.